4.2000 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Extended Cab Pickup. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, 5/6, 4.3L, RWD 4-speed electronically controlled automatic transmission, WAD Inc., trans oil cooler, brake trans shift interlock, rear wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, full-size spare tire, steel wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, auto-on headlights, auto-off headlights, daytime running lights, intermittent wipers, third passenger door, split bench seat, second row bench seat, adjustable steering wheel, vehicle anti-theft system, AM/FM stereo, auxiliary power outlet, driver airbag, passenger airbag.